My name is Jesper. I come from West Africa, Sierra Leone. I come from West Africa, Sierra Leone. I come here on the heart problem. I get valve. I get problem with the valve. I come through Mr. Face and make effort for me. For the operation successful. When they put me fine at the hospital, they can find medical attention from the nurses there, the doctors there. And we were discharged today, but the medication will continue till we left. I tell them plenty thank you.
And how was the experience in the airport?
Okay.
We have received you from the airport.
Yes.
And the hotel arrangement.
Receive brother Fisa, I receive we at the airport.
Yes.
We go in car, they receive we can safely. They can lodge you in the hotel.
Okay.
Everything was fine, everything was easy for we.
You are happy with the services and everything, with the hospital facility and each and everything.
Yes.
You are happy?
Yes.
With the doctor's team, nursing team?
Exactly. The reception so fine.
Yes.
To the doctors, the nurses, Fisa and face in brother.
Yes.
Apply for reception.
Yes.
Even the food, what they do it.
Okay, what about the food and everything in the hospital?
Yes.
Everything
they
is
do
giving
food,
you?
they do water, they check on me. Every hour they check on me, they give me medicine. I tell God thank you.
Good,
For
good.
grace and mercy.
So you will advise other people to come here
Yes.
through
So,
me?
Anybody we get heart problem,
Any problem?
minus heart, you get liver or kidney problem, may talk with Mr. Face, we work the DLK hospital, may contact and we can get fine reception and God will make the operation will go successful.
Yes.
Yeah, the doctors are so good, they so care, no accident, no complaint, no problem. We don't come, we don't see the man at all, we don't see the man, no death, no accident, no problem. Thank God.
How was the experience, ma'am, in the hospital and everything? You were here as an attendant. Everything was fine
Yes,
for you and the food and everything good?
yes. Me and the wife for Mr. Jesper,
Yes.
Kebi. I mean to come, but the way we come, we not get no difficult. Even we be inside plane, before we can say begin to talk to we.
Yes.
For me, how they before we see we come as we come, the person will not meet her before him.
Yes.
You know, ever said
Yes.
we said at the gate, he show us forget meter. He take we, oh, the place it be wonderful anyway. I tell God thank you. This country na fine country. They do well, really. They sabi old water man.
Yes.
They sabi do things them. Even as we all come safe, we brother the day when I jolly admit and BNK, we see what is taking the day. We surprised, we came go work out all the day. This man is so good, oh. Me are glad for a really. It make me make her happy for make her dinner India safe.
Yes.
If you were able to help me for make her dinner India, I'm glad for you.
Good,
And then good, the doctors are all good. Now they say, Papa, say, oh, don't come. I mean, tell her. I said, no, every day, nobody they cry. I said, there's all kind of sickness. No sickness, no day. Where they not go able to take care of one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, tell them. Same call God. After God, and then yeah.
Thank
really,
you.
They try
Thank
you. So I say, God, thank you for the food, oh, everything. Okay. I'm glad so much. I get enough of food myself. The food they give me there, they inside the keeper. I the keeper there. So I glad so much. So no for fear. Where possible, famous sick, really, now more try.
Thank
Money
you.
and life, none of the thing.
Well,
You get a number and just apply through this man when I face.
Thank you.
They
Thank you.
try. India, this Indian country.
Thank
Now
you
for
very
try
much.
for candy all the time for
Thank you very much.
Goodness to
You are happy with everything?
I'm glad I'm happy about everything they go.
Thank
Go
you.
on.
Thank you. This is the single room of the patient. And everything is very perfect here. We do provide each and everything. That is our responsibility to go patient. Once we receive the patient should go from India happily and safely. That is our mission. Thank you for everything. Take care.